Fish
Right
on.
there. Second one up.
You saw it.
Get him.
You get it.
Get him, baby. I like how he popped that bad boy off. Sea legs ain't work. Come on, fishy. That was a gill hook, too. There we go. Ah! Oh, whoa. Come here. There you go, babe. Hi, Mr. Walleye. We're going to eat you later. Yeah, baby.
That is a nice fish. Come on this side. Of course, we got the line that I was letting out. We got it.
God, look at that one, babe. I got to take a picture with that one. That one's huge.
Alright, here.
Thanks, sir.
Wait, one more.
Take a picture down his mouth. Get it?
Hold on. Alright.
That is a big ass fish. Alright, let's check this one.
We usually tell because it feels a lot heavier. Okay? Even when you're pulling it on the line.
Okay. I saw you reel it in a lot. That's what I should have done on the one I popped
You're
off.
reeling to get the tension.
Okay. That's what I didn't do. Really get tension.
Especially this side's going to be hard because the waves are going.
Gotcha.
That side's going to be a lot easier to snap because the waves are pushing towards the waves.
Okay.
Right? Seriously. Could be a brother.
Woohoo!
Literally.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at that.
Now you can do a two-fisted hold.
Right? Monster. Get on. Yeah, can't hurt nobody. That's nice. Nah, I get a photo. I get a photo op with him with the end. Yeah. You can go swimming, buy it as the water different land. Just play it, baby. There we go. She stood up quick this time. She's like, I got this.
Another nice fish.
Look at that.
Okay. Tell you what, man, we're going in some good size.
Yeah, baby.
That's another like 22-incher. Look at that little hog.
There we go, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that fat boy.
Hold on. Let me snap the sample.
Right? Yeah, the fishy.
Number 5.
Yeah, baby. Come on, cousin. Oh, there's another one up on the top left over there.
Yeah.
Looks like.
One thing I like to do when it looks like it's a sketchy hook, put the net line of where the line is. Well, that
Yeah, baby. We love doing that. Here, take this to set it to your inside. And when he comes in with it, you come in with it and you set it down here. You go down with it.
Well, let's see what we shall see. So wet. That's all you do. More so on the rough days. Like
It was all in the current. I felt the current pull and I kind of just kept going.
What the fuck are you doing? You ain't
Oh shit, that's right. Got you.
Yeah, you can go lunch break or something.
No, ain't no lunch break.
No 15 minutes.
Kind of in a little bit of a lull. I don't see much in the fish finder either right now.
No.
And just like that, the bottom one goes.
There you go.
We're not giving anything.
That's why I didn't jump up. And don't try to match me on lost fishes either. It's not allowed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
You do
I
not.
like it when they do this.
No, I do not like that shake.
That shake at the surface, man. That's
Ride him with that wave.
a nice fatty, though, man.
Ride him with that wave. Straight back on the right. Okay.
Look at that, pop right off, too.
Right? Look at that. Is that something? Pretty too.
There, we'll
Nice
put it to the
size
camera.
Right? Bottom one? Is that pulling more than?
It is.
Oh yeah, baby. You got one more coming right behind you. Here, give me that one. I'll put it back here.
This one's going too.
Same thing, inside one, so
You don't have to worry about any other lines. He's already there.
inside
Nice
ones are
and
easy.
easy, baby.
Inside ones are easy.
Thank you, cousin. Come on, baby.
Oh man.
Keep going. You got it, babe.
Alright, just easy on the jumping now. We can't have no real miracle.
Yeah, she's down. She's down for miracle.
Deeper though. Didn't like that. Next thing you know, they start
Bottom line.
digging. Yep. That bottom one we just put out and I freaking got hammered again.
Let's do it, baby.
You know what lure that is?
Is it the
That one
Hey.
I just showed you?
Yep, that's what I like doing.
That I said is a beast. That's the lure.
Get it, baby.
About to hit the penalty.
I'm busting your chop.
I know, I'm busting them right back, letting you know I'm just going nice and slow like a granny, like I was told.
There it is. Nice one. I thought he was nicer. I think he's a keeper. Big enough to eat.
That's all that matters.
Oh, don't do that.
Me or him?
Him.
Oh, okay.
You just keep it tight.
He's questionable, actually. He's questionable, but I think he's.
Yep. That's for you,
Double
babe.
check him, but I think he's alright.
Alright.
That's actually a big ass perch.
Holy shit.
Look at that perch.
Wow.
That is a huge
That
perch.
is crazy.
I ain't never caught a perch that
might
big.
be citation worthy there.
That's fucking nice.
What is perch? Oh, I have no teeth.
Yeah, but I got that hook in his mouth
Wow.
right there, so I don't want to. You know what I'm saying? That's all. I just didn't want to. That perch is 14 inches.
That's crazy.
That is big. That is huge. keeping him?
Photo
or
op.
letting him go?
Well, that's up to you.
You're
I mean,
keeping them.
they're definitely good eating. So.
All right, you photo opping him? Maybe.
Another perch. Another freaking perch.
Holy guacamole,
Another
son.
freaking big ass perch.
Wow.
Look at that. That's a freaking good one too.
Yeah.
Nice size too.
We're getting close. Silver bass.
You want me to
Take a step back. There you go, stop.
Him, we ain't worried about it.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you, cuz. Oh, me?
me?
You gotta let it go back a little bit or should you start reeling? Okay.